Good morning, Miss Ayu, all of my friends and all viewers. Let me introduce myself. My name is Reva Destia Putri and my partner.
Sujener Alisa.
In this video, my partner and I would like to present, present a short dialogue. The topic of our dialogue is buying medicine for cold. In this conversation, I will play the role of a pharmacist and my friends will be the customer. We hope you enjoy our presentation. Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, I need something for my cough.
Is it a dry cough or with phlegm?
It is a dry cough, mostly at night.
Okay, I recommend this syrup. It helps reduce throat irritation and help you sleep.
Is it safe?
Yes, just take one spoon in the morning and one before sleep.
Alright, thank you very much.
You are welcome. Get well soon.
That's all for our dialogue. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this short conversation can be useful and enjoyable. And again, thank you, Miss Ayu, and all of your friends. Have a great day and see you.